Or for me that's you. Na me gidi say wo ho ye. So ho ye dia me pacho kase amen. Amen it say enye ho. Me pacho elum yawe eninchia ebrew. Me pacho tie me. Em for the time ko hwe to kase en ko hwe nufu kase en hwe furu ma flat. No. And I know baby kase so be for furu kase de. Ene ko on ware. Eh mama wo kase o. E furu kase se me di. Aye bo hai. Uye ya. Sazo so make say me for the time ko hwe nufu asuso. Nufu atiego me hwe. Fa yo di fu akosempi. Subscribe channel no. I like the channel no. Na mama me fanchi akase ma me amena na retire chibu akabo the third. Papa sunsumu no. Abraso si epige sunsum ye sunsum ma enche imi hyiam ye ka sunsum sam. Me me kan say aha eya attention TV. Attention TV multimedia. Me me kan say oba edan I like radio shim. Ehyiam a ensam abekọ ho no. Odo keteke ehyiam. Orofo tiase na bra ho ase. Na di machi. Na wan sna pobia wo ukogya wo nan no. Na wan Sarkodie impose sakrachi ne didi onyankopon dan ne janan obeyi amayu anyo fe odi ade bo wan Sarkodie kun enso ko ni nuanam wo okotu ye no omuhu sabe otokwan nti bra wo ja na wan Sarkodie betima magote guyemu because ni nuane go mame wan Sarkodie ni nuane go mame because no dey produce one and so kan shira somewhat na mo ba fie na ba nua jollof a na wan Sarkodie be si so a was a ballock bean what someone Sarkodie na mo no dey mia no bia na dey sama na ba horo nta mame aye obi ye bi ma wa ya kai aye obi ye bi ma wa kai o ne fie chi ni abofo.
I read it from the book.
The only option for Mono Sarkodie and it say yenkoyi adenti
pregnancy name firo
odenti no
if we say ne carrier no ene na ade ne ye bleak ena osatena ne maame nchen
ena Yvonne to aso ka say ono so ogitum
yes or say ono from the background and whatna ho awo free ba no enti no sort of as a won ni papa
yes
enti to think say woso di abofra beba wiase na ebi abofra no enso mbewo papa no eventually no ema osacom na look at how we hwe the story na o se ye more cheating no na say how the stepfather ne melty eniama wo ne so it as a result of that ono ye scorned dada
sure.
She didn't want to bring a child to this world
to repeat
yet blatantly a guy who can sleep with you can blatantly say the only option that you have say was unkoyi abofra ni mofi say metena ho no metena me maame nchen enti na metena ha mede enkofo kasa say minimum endorsement deals asa akode wo adon na de enti a ajingo obi beka say oh na abortion de a little while ago I've been educated say abortion in Ghana is legal especially illegal if so obeko government hospital akwa yeah illegal. The reason I'm advocating say endorsement deals as Sarkodie will be should be stripped off and say one idea buy you no na buy you anum pills am oblidi here na woye dey owu. Secondly and all this Sarkodie kind of Sarkodie say no ye kwa no hospital la and ye and on the manager e drive abayu no call hospital e ja abayu no ho me point am sinti engine endorsement deal no and say woja abayu no ho no on the manager e drive off e call ye. What if Senka Yvonne Nelson koye nanka wamba bi mo?
What does this got to do with endorsement?
Sir, moral. Morally, he's not fit to be a role model to anybody. He is not fit to be a role model to anybody. Anybody I will bet me obi ba wa wo no abra so now who you obi ba wa wo. Yes, somebody will say when put a gun to your head. But who say ukofa pregnancy ba ho na say maame no papa cry reject na say boy na ode wo nyim no e accept ya e ma wo some energy bia even if say you are wunya opposition wo fie mpa you know said the guy that wouldn't wo ho no another na anyem no will take care of you ntino and also he's with you to betimi aye but odini ko see ho no one ne manager eja Yvonne Nelson e wo hospital ho to say obewu so obeye den Sarkodie and the manager did not care about it. Until I make a chance say such a person morally is not fit to be called a celebrity. It's not fit to be called say or a role model to anybody. Ain't minimum endorsement deals or what? So when endorsement deals are yen stripping off. Nessa what to mean your boss Egba Ebonte the Yvonne so Bekasa say you know what any abortion I acquire because they're illegal. But how Mikoja we see ho Eju beka ediko yeno. I am sorry. Se Sarkodie ain't to me and yes idea no. Ab0rtion ya stripping it dada. I'm coming to give you
but say we Yvonne Nelson side and all can.
Okay, Sarkodie and Kasai. The fact that Sarkodie to me be Kasai and just a magiedi. Because what it is said this is something is so damaging to his image.
Damaging
of course. So what they no banyum. Who do be back hospital? Ejan Jose on abortion in your name. I mean, what was he thinking? Senku wan fa na kwesi ho a metina hey Kenya me problem but the first one didn't kwesi ho no ja Yvonne Nelson to have faith and not just say he's not fit to be an idol to anybody. Remember examples I be mu who say obi obey indulging in anything that God consider say immoral. Yeah Chris Brown wambo Rihanna obo no dia na yes stripping off the endorsement deals. Mebua ebiensi Tiger Woods DNC yes stripping off the endorsement deal TI drug possession yes stripping off the endorsement deal Rihanna na ye ba be use no for an image I feel so you too sexy being sexy alone no morally it didn't sit with people into yes stripping no if you know that's what I'm saying say if this guy he had an opportunity to go and stand on Global Citizen, what does Global Citizen do? Global Citizen protect it. Emofra. And I say social vices say what we are seeing now teenage pregnancy, dying him, and for all that.